The religion known as Hinduism is referred to by many different names in history and academia depending on the context. It is called the Vedic religion, Brahmanism, Sanatana Dharma, Hindu Dharma, and Hinduism. Here's what these terms mean and why. Welcome to Pravyav Now. This video begins the series Hinduism Simplified, where I plan to simplify some complex and confusing concepts in Hinduism. If you are looking for short, simple answers, this is for you. If you prefer to delve into the details of the subject, you can find leads for further research here. Let's get started. The religion of the Vedic period, when Vedas were composed and yajna ceremonies took place, this is referred to as the Vedic religion. The later stage of this religion is called Brahmanism because Brahmins were the main priests, much like how Celtic paganism is referred to as Druidism after the Druid priests. The religion that was standardized during the Gupta period through various sects and Puranas is known as Puranic Hinduism. This excludes Buddhist and Jain religions. Dharma means that which supports and represents a way of life in synchronization with the universe. Because this way of life is considered eternal, it is called Sanatana Dharma or the eternal Dharma. In the 19th century, the term Sanatana Dharma was used to denote the orthodox sects, differentiating them from socio-religious reform movements known as Neo-Hinduism. Interestingly, like Hindus, Buddhists and Jains also refer to their religions as Sanatana Dharma, although today it is mostly Hinduism that uses this term. To differentiate these different ways of life, terms like Buddha Dharma and Jaina Dharma were used. The connotation here was not exactly religion. Dharma is a more elaborate topic which will be covered in the next episode. When the Turkic invasions occurred in India and introduced Islam to the subcontinent, the term Hindu Dharma was used to differentiate the native faith from that of the Turks, called Turko Dharma. This term Hindu Dharma included Jain, Buddhist and Sikh faiths due to its geographical context. During British rule, religions and sects based on Astika traditions such as Sankhya, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Yoga, Mimamsa and Vedanta were termed Hinduism. This definition excluded Nastika traditions like Jainism and Buddhism. In the upcoming episodes, these Astika and Nastika traditions and ideas of Dharma will be simplified for better understanding. So stay tuned to Pravyav Now.